guys, welcome back to Riding with Cash. Hope you're well and safe. So today I'm going to take you to a very special place. Let's just go there and then we'll talk. Let's go. Oh, the sound of crickets is amazing. All those planes, eh? Oh. I think I'm seeing Heather, the one who was in my movie, Lakeshore Drive. Is that her? Haha. She's a big volleyball player. Wow, those crickets are so loud. They're probably in millions to make that sound. Sounds so loud. Crazy. Uh-oh. It's not her, somebody else. Well, that's an interesting bicycle. Let's talk to him. Yo, what is this called? What is this called?
I'm not sure. I found it like it's over there. You can buy it at beach.
Oh, you just rent it?
Yeah, rent on our phone.
Oh, really? Okay. That's funny. What's that for? So this is entering the beautiful Foster Beach. Let's go in there. Come on, guys. Let's keep going. Woo-hoo. Lots of beach volleyball. That's good fitness. Lots of workout. Pretty much rent a spot there. Right behind me is the Foster Beach. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. And it's crowded, you notice. It's very crowded. A lot of beach volleyball. A lot of people out there enjoying the sun. Sun's about to come down. It's one of those hours in the evening. You can hear the crickets in the back. I usually come here and experience this in the morning. And I've taken a lot of video footage in the morning. It's only a couple of people and me. It's my way of totally cutting off from day to day and literally enjoying the sunrise, working out a bit, and just getting ready for the day. It's the best part of the day. If you start early, a lot of things get done. And when you're riding a motorcycle, you need a lot of strength, especially when you're doing long distance, doing long rides. And this is perfect, ideal place to keep me fit, mentally more important than physically, because it's always mind over body most of the time. So great spots here. Let's go forward and check more. step out.
Sometimes we have work on those types of
So, right in front of me is a family enjoying a hookah bar. Literally have, made the entire surrounding a big hookah in front of them. Bunch of drinks. If you see, I can see a lot of drinks in the big ice bucket. Now you never see this in the morning. This is totally chill time in the evening. But interesting experiences. I mean, to me, beach is something more relaxing, more cut off, more workout, more mind and body experiences. But to see a hookah bar,
great place. In my opinion, for people to find.
hey, whatever works, right? So from people setting the beach up as a hookah bar, my friends are seagulls and people are doing yoga, or I see a sunrise, and those are my friends. Evening is completely different. So this is Foster Beach, and I usually come out early in the mornings, like 5:30, 6 o'clock, 6:30, depends on how the day looks like. And usually more peaceful, more quiet, more cleaner. The other beaches have dog beaches and everything with it, so it's much more cleaner. So when you take your shoes off and get yourself grounded in the sand, mind you, this is a sweetwater lake, so the sand's very different than you have it on a sea, so it's a completely different kind of beach. In the morning it's clean, because I think in the night they clean up using some machines, so you literally run in the sand. So running in sand is different strength training, generally harder, but you do land soft, so it's pretty interesting. So I kind of do 3 or 4 lengths on the beach. It's about a mile this time of the hour. Still peaceful, still nice, but completely different. And far off in the horizon, I see a guy with a little canoe and a dog right in person. It's a great bonding experience. That's fantastic. And the dog's actually moving with the canoe. It's brilliant. I don't think this camera can catch this, but this is great. That's mile marker 1, and I'll do 17 miles today. It's evening, sometimes I do my workouts in the evening, so that'll be give or take 25 kilometers back, half an hour to go and come back.
If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.